Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
24 dry hair treatments from your kitchen. Whether your hair is long or short, curly or straight, every woman dreams of having a luscious and healthy mane. Unfortunately, some of us are born with hair that is dull, dry, and frizzy by nature. And even if you were born with healthy, lustrous hair, dealing with dryness is inevitable when your hair is constantly battered by heat styling tools, chemical treatments, and pollution. When dealing with dryness, a good place to start is to raid your kitchen for some cost effective and natural hair care ingredients. Using ingredients from your pantry is not only convenient, but it also gives you the same, if not better, results as high end hair treatments with none of the chemicals. While it may take longer to see results, your hair will thank you in the long term. 24 homemade dry hair treatments. First, homemade hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatments are one of the simplest and most effective remedies for dry hair. The best part about a homemade hot oil treatment is that you can make custom blends to suit your hair type. You will need 2 tablespoons almond oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons jojoba oil, and 2 tablespoons coconut oil. To make the oil, mix all the oils in a medium-sized pot and warm it. You can personalize this mix by adding or substituting oils. Don't overheat as it will end up damaging your scalp. Make sure it's lukewarm, not hot. Massage hair with this oil mixture and wrap it up in a towel. Unwrap after 30 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. Using this treatment once every 7 days will give you softer, shinier, and healthier tresses. Second, egg yolk and water mix. Egg yolk is another wonderful dry hair remedy. It conditions your hair shafts and keeps them moisturized. You will need 2 egg yolks. To make this, take 2 eggs and separate the yolk from the whites. Add 3 tablespoons of water and beat until the mixture is slightly fluffy. Apply all over your hair and wait for 30 minutes before washing. Use cool water to wash your hair. This keeps the egg from cooking and controls the smell. You will be surprised at the instant shine in your hair. Third, egg, honey and yogurt hair mask. Egg yolk is rich in fats and proteins and is also naturally moisturizing, while the white contains the bacteria-eating enzymes that remove unwanted oils. It moisturizes dry and brittle hair. The protein content of yogurt will strengthen your hair strands from the roots and add extra shine without removing its natural moisture. You will need 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon honey, and 2 tablespoon yogurt. To make this, beat 2 raw eggs in a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Apply this mixture to your hair and leave it on for at least 20 minutes. Wash with cool water. This hair mask will leave your hair feeling conditioned without making it sticky. This is the perfect treatment for combination hair that are oily at the roots and dry at the tips. Fourth, honey and vegetable oil hair mask. This pack nourishes your hair while conditioning it. You will need 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To make this, mix 2 tablespoons honey with 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to make a sticky paste. Apply the mixture to your hair as you would a mask and wrap it with a plastic shower cap. After 15 minutes, remove the cap and shampoo. The moisturizing property of honey will give you soft and super smooth tresses. Fifth, rice milk and honey hair wash. If your hair is dull and dry, this mask will restore shine and nourish your hair. Honey is an amazing natural emollient that seals moisture in your hair shafts. You will need 1 cup rice milk, 2 teaspoons honey. To make this, take a cup of rice milk and add 2 teaspoons of honey. In a bowl, mix the ingredients until it is consistent. Spread the mixture over your hair and allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off. This is an excellent way to get lustrous hair in minutes. You will also love the smell of your hair once it's dry. Sixth, avocado and banana hair mask. When it comes to sealing moisture in your hair, the efficiency of avocado can never be ignored. Bananas can increase the elasticity of your hair shafts and make them stronger and softer. You will need one ripe banana, one ripe avocado. To make this, mash the banana and avocado together until the mixture is free of lumps. Apply the mixture to your hair and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Wash off with cool or lukewarm water. Both these ingredients contain natural oils that condition your hair while nourishing your scalp and hair. 7th, mayonnaise pack. For those who want to condition their hair to make it smooth, soft, and manageable, mayonnaise could be the best ingredient to use. Mayonnaise contains L-cysteine, a powerful antioxidant that provides strength, shine, and volume to your hair. It is very beneficial for dry and damaged hair. You will need half cup full fat mayonnaise. To make this, whip the mayonnaise well until it is slightly fluffy. Wet your hair and apply it along the length of your hair, concentrating more on the damaged parts of your hair. Cover up your hair with a shower cap and keep for 30 minutes. Rinse with cold water and shampoo as usual. If you want an instant remedy that does not need much preparation, go for a full fat mayonnaise massage. This dry hair treatment is highly recommended by hairstylists and can easily be done at home. 8th, beer spray. Beer is known for its conditioning properties. It adds a healthy sheen to dry and dull hair and also provides volume. The vitamin B content in beer makes your hair lustrous and soft. You will need half cup flat beer and 2 cups of water. For this, mix the beer with 2 cups of water and set it aside in a jug. Shampoo and condition your hair. Use the diluted beer as a final rinse to pour through your hair. Do not wash again and allow your hair to dry naturally. Using this beer rinse once a week will keep your hair conditioned and shiny. 9th, vinegar wash. The acidic nature of vinegar helps balance out the pH of the scalp, normalizing oil production. This is good for combination hair when used with a conditioning hair pack. You will need 1 tablespoon of vinegar. For this, use a conditioning hair pack and then rinse the pack out of your hair. In a bowl, dilute your shampoo and vinegar and use this to wash your hair. Let your hair air dry. This remedy helps to tackle the oiliness at the roots of your hair while adding shine to the freshly conditioned hair shafts. 10th, honey hair mask. Honey is a humectant, which means that it binds moisture to your hair shaft, keeping it conditioned. You will need 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, that is coconut, olive, jojoba, etc. For this, in a bowl, combine the ingredients to get a consistent mixture. Apply this to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Concentrate on the tips of your hair as they are the driest parts. Leave in for 20 minutes and then rinse it out with shampoo. Alternatively, you can dilute a teaspoon of honey with 2 cups of water and use it as a hair rinse. 11th, aloe vera mask. Aloe vera is one of the best ingredients you could use for repairing damage and dryness. It also boosts scalp health and encourages healthy hair growth. You will need 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 4 tablespoons of aloe vera, 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. For this, in a bowl, combine all the ingredients until you get a consistent mixture. Section your hair and start applying the hair pack from the roots of your hair to the tips. Leave the pack on for half an hour and then rinse it out with lukewarm water and shampoo. This pack works well for dry as well as combination hair types. It leaves your hair feeling soft, luscious, and healthy. 12th, ACV. ACV has myriad benefits. It can be used to treat zits, clarify the skin, and even remove product buildup from your hair. You will need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of water. For this, combine the ingredients in a jug and set it aside. Wash and condition your hair. Use the diluted ACV as a final rinse. Let your hair air dry. Using an ACV rinse once every fortnight will help keep your hair clean, soft, and silky. 13. Baking soda powder. Baking soda removes impurities and excess product built up in your hair. It closes the hair cuticles as it is alkaline in nature. Dry hair attracts a lot of dirt and a thorough cleansing is necessary to maintain its health. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half cup of water. Combine the ingredients in a bowl and set it aside. Wash your hair and condition. Pour the diluted baking soda through your hair as a final rinse. 14th, gram flour pack. Gram flour is one of the most common ingredients used in hair and skin care. You will need 1 cup of coconut milk and 3 tablespoons of gram flour. In a bowl, combine the ingredients. Ensure that there are no lumps. Apply this mixture to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Put your hair up in a bun and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your hair with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. This pack will help remove impurities from your hair while conditioning it and making it soft and silky. Use it once a week for best results. 15. Essential oils. Adding essential oils to your hair care regime can be extremely therapeutic. Essential oils such as lavender or rosemary carry various beneficial properties that help condition your hair while maintaining scalp health. You will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 4 to 5 drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil. Combine all the oils in a bowl and heat for a few seconds until the blend is slightly warm. Massage the oil blend into your scalp and work it through your hair. Focus on the tips of your hair as these are the most damaged parts. Leave the oil in for at least 30 minutes. You can also leave it in overnight. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. These hot oil massages replenish the moisture in your hair and also improve the circulation of blood to the scalp. The castor oil in the mix helps with the hair growth. 16th, avocado and coconut pack. Avocado contains oils that mimic the natural oil produced by your scalp. It contains minerals, proteins, and vitamins A, D, E, K, and B, which repair and replenish dry and damaged hair. You will need 1 ripe avocado and half cup of coconut milk. Mash the avocado until it is completely free of lumps. To the mashed avocado, add the half cup of coconut milk. Mix until you get a smooth paste. Apply this pack to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour and then rinse it out with cool or lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. This is one of the most conditioning hair packs you can use to repair dry and damaged hair. 17th, banana pack. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is an essential hair care mineral. It keeps your hair healthy and improves its elasticity. You will need 1 ripe banana. Mash a ripe banana until it is completely free of lumps. Apply the mashed banana to your hair and leave it in for 45 minutes to an hour. Wash it off with cool or lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. This pack can repair dry and damaged hair. The restore elasticity from regular use means reduced breakage and damage. 18. Egg yolk, olive oil, and vitamin E mask. Egg yolks are an amazing remedy for dry and fragile hair. You will need 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Whisk the egg yolks until they are slightly fluffy and then add the oils to it. Wash your hair and squeeze out the excess water. Start applying the egg mixture to your hair from the roots to the tips. Leave the mixture in for 10 minutes and wash it off with cool water. You will have to use this treatment for dry hair at least once a week to get the desired results. Add lemon juice to this mixture for dealing with issues such as dandruff or an aggravated scalp. 19th, olive oil massage. Olive oil is a natural conditioner that is available in most kitchens. It is light and conditions your hair without weighing it down. You will need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and start to gently massage it into your scalp. Next, work the oil into your hair and focus on the tips. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. You can also massage the olive oil into your scalp and leave it on overnight to get maximum results in terms of conditioned hair. 20. Amla powder and lime juice. Indian gooseberry or amla can do wonders for dry hair. It not only conditions your hair but also nourishes it. You will need 2 tablespoons of amla powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients in a bowl until you get a consistent paste. Apply this to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it out with cool or lukewarm water. This homemade hair mask for dry hair not only cleanses your hair but also adds shine and nourishment. 21. Strawberry Pack. Strawberry paste works effectively to leave your hair conditioned with a rich, glossy effect. You will need 4 to 5 strawberries, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. In a food processor, blend the mayonnaise and strawberries until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Apply this to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Cover your hair with a shower cap and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with cool or lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. While strawberries are usually used in hair packs for oily hair, this pack includes mayonnaise, which conditions your hair. The strawberries remove excess oils from your scalp and make your hair silky, while the mayonnaise conditions and nourishes the hair shaft. 22. Fenugreek Seeds Paste. If you have been struggling with dandruff as well as dryness, fenugreek is the perfect hair care ingredient for you. You will need 4 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Soak 4 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, blend the seeds into a fine paste. Apply this onto your scalp and hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm or cool water and shampoo. 23. Bottle Gourd Juice Mask. Bottle gourd can be used as a refreshing hair moisturizing treatment. It conditions your hair without weighing it down and is extremely easy to use. You will need 1 peeled and chopped bottle gourd. Blend the bottle gourd until it reaches a smooth consistency. Use a cheesecloth to extract and collect its juice in a bowl. Apply the bottle gourd juice to your hair and let it sit for 30 minutes. Wash off with shampoo and then condition. Bottle gourd juice conditions your hair while adding shine. 24. Lemon Juice Massage. Lemon's acidic nature makes it perfect for balancing out the pH of your scalp and cleansing your hair. You will need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 cups water. Combine the ingredients in a jug and set it aside. Shampoo and condition your hair and then proceed to use the diluted lemon juice as a final rinse. Let your hair air dry. This lemon juice rinse will calm, freeze and flyaways while adding shine to your hair. Things to remember. Don't shampoo your hair too often. The detergents in shampoos strip away your hair's natural oils, making it dry and causing damage. Always use lukewarm or, if possible, cool water to wash your hair, as this helps seal your cuticles and minimizes moisture loss. Avoid using heat styling tools. Use a mild sulfate-free shampoo. While these may be more expensive, your hair will thank you in the long term. Drink plenty of water and follow a balanced diet, as your hair receives most of its nourishment from what you consume. Follow these simple home remedies for dry hair and, with some patience, you will have luscious hair in no time. Have you ever used these kitchen ingredients in your hair care routine? Tell us about your experience in the comment section below.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.